He presided over some of India's most politically and socially significant cases. A case which was transferred from Gujarat to Maharashtra following a directive from the Honorable Supreme Court of India. This politically charged case garnered extensive media attention, as you must be aware, and was mandated to proceed within a strict timeline. As a retrial and in a highly charged atmosphere, the trial's execution was widely appreciated by all involved. It was complex, lengthy, and also sensitive. From delivering a historic conviction in the Best Bakery case to granting bail to Salman Khan in the sensational hit and run case, Justice Thipse has been at the center of high-profile judicial decisions. His tenure in Sohrabuddin Sheikh case saw him attain greater heights, and key legal insights were जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए please. A big round of applause. A great honor to have him here. Thank you, sir, for gracing this occasion. He's renowned for his deep expertise in income tax and insurance, has built a stellar career marked by groundbreaking achievements and indeed honored to have him grace today's occasion. Thank you, sir. May I request? Oh, there we have it. Zordar taaliyan honi chahiye, please. Thank you so much. And of course, we have great honor, and we are indeed truly honored here that he's present for this award ceremony. A big round of applause. May we present him with a bouquet of flowers. Thank you so much. जैसे कि हमारे हर एक प्रोग्राम में हम नेशनल एंथम से शुरुआत करते हैं, तो सभी से गुजारिश है कि प्लीज आप अपनी हमने हर खुशी इस सेंटर की, जब भी मुस्कुरा के देख लिया आप सबने, समझो दुआ कबूल हुई हमारी। तो चलिए इस दुआ को शुरू कर 1960s, late 60s when he came to Bombay. He was living here all alone, but when he saw the people, the downtrodden people, the backward people, he had a vision and a passion to serve this people not only in Mumbai but all over India. And he really worked with dedication, and for his dedication, people from all walks of life, all luminaries joined him. And he created such great programs, cultural and traditional programs, so that our Indian tradition and culture would remain alive. He got together people from all walks of life, whether they were from any state and speaking any language. He felicitated them, he recognized them, and he got...
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Actually, today you all are aware about the situation of ISKCON, temples, surroundings and all these things. Because of the heavy traffic, many people could not reach here. Many people had returned to their home because they are not getting the proper way to the venue. And anyway, so according to our expectation, our majority of the awardees were present. That was our intention, to felicitate the dignitaries, those who have achieved in their respective fields and struggled for so many years, and they established their values in different walks of life. And and unfortunately, we have to be here. Our Honorable Speaker of Maharashtra, Rahul Narvekar, one of the well-wisher of our organization, he sent a very good speech to our organization to broadcast here, and we are doing that job also. And simultaneously, I have to say that many things we are planning accordingly. It is not possible because many of the recipients, they have to go to some other work and all this thing. Not deliberately they are absent. They have some, or many people are traveling and they could not reach Mumbai today, and that's why they are absent. Anyway, so more than 12 awardees are present here among 19. 4 or 5 people are absent. So anyway, we are felicitation plan is accordingly going on. And another thing, this is our 14th Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Achievement Award. We have started this award from only for the Keralites people. When many people ask me why you are organizing this award to Malayalis only, Keralites only, because Shivaji Maharaj Award. I said in the 4th class I have studied a lesson about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He is the eradicator of the Mughal Samraj. So that is the impression in my mind, because he was not, Shivaji Maharaj was not an anti to any community, any caste, religion or any province. But only his intention is that he was struggling about this thing on the Mughal Samraj. And that he has success, and his Rajabhishek and the Raigad and all this thing. We have given a wonderful article in this thing also, souvenir about the Maharaj's history and all this thing. Because always we are reading so many things in Marathi and all this thing. बरेच लोकांना मी सांगितलेले, मग तू मराठीमध्ये आपण गेलं तर मराठी कोणी वाचू शकतात, तेही वाचू शकतात. इतर भाषामध्ये गेले तर इतर भाषातल्या लोक पण शिवाजी महाराजाबद्दल माहिती मिळेल. त्याच्यामध्ये इतिहास वाढणार आहे. इतिहासाच्या विरोध आपण द्यायचं. आणि कारण काय, अशी गोष्टीमध्ये आपण जास्त बोलायचे पण नाही. आता कुठलाही एक शब्द काढले तर त्याच्यामध्ये कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी होतो, म्हणून आपण सांभाळून बोलला पाहिजे. That is the main thing. Anyway, I am not taking much more time. So once again, I am welcome to my all dignitaries, those who are present here to make this function a grand success, and all the dignitaries, those who came from far away, out of Maharashtra also. Our recipients are there. Once again, I welcome them and appreciating their initiative to reach this wonderful evening. And I request Niharya to start the rest of the thing.
And he has also completed his research in Kannada comparative literature, secured a PhD in the same, and taking the students along. He has written around 30 literary books, out of which Migration of Tuluas to Mumbai, critical essay on Kannada literature. He has written 10 collection of short stories, 5 collection of literary articles. A big round of applause at People's Art Center. It's a passion and dedication of Dr. Vishwanath Karnad, which makes him the achiever of the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaja Achievement Award 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, zordar taaliyan honi chahiye. It's thanks to people. an important language amongst other Indian languages, and indeed a great achievement as he's created great identity and motivates other people to contribute towards its development. Heartiest congratulations, sir. Rampal Baldawa, जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. He's a farmer with a difference, multifaceted agriculturist from Dhari village. His adoption of modern practices have become a benchmark for other farmers. He applies the ultra-modern technology to regular agronomical crops which produce superior yields. His Kesar mango planted in 1990, which he harvested in 95, was an export quality which travelled to far-off places such as London. He's a hard-working, dedicated farmer. Since the last 15 years, he has planted ultra-high-density mangoes using modern southern African concepts of planting mangoes. Heartiest congratulations. जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. It's indeed an honor. National Games from Baroda, Razia Sheikh. जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. Please welcome her. Indian former track and field athlete who completed in javelin throw. First Indian woman to cross the barriers of 50 meters. She has represented India 2 editions of the Asian Games, 82 in Delhi and in Seoul in 86. Her journey to greatness is a blend of passion, personal attributes, dedication and external support. A big round of applause. And her legacy is a reminder of an importance of recognizing and supporting athletes who have paved the way for the future generations. At People's Arts, Zordar Talia honi chahiye. She is the true recipient of the year's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Achievement Award 2025. Congratulations. Well friends, हमारे जितने भी award winners आए उनके लिए building sustainable people oriented organizations. At People's Arts Center, it's a privilege to honor Ajit Menon's journey from a corporate icon to a celebrated author and philanthropist. And heartiest congratulations to win the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Achievement Award 2025. Big round of applause. जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. Celebrated Marathi on contemporary Marathi literature, born in Goa. He has penned numerous poems, novels, children literature, and he has got a prominent place in Marathi literature personality. His unique style of writing blends with poetic elegance and profound philosophical spirituality. He was honored with the prestigious Sahitya Academy Award for his novel Ujya Sondeche Bahulya. At People's Arts Center, we appreciate the literary contribution of Shri Praveen Bandekar, feel he deserves to be rewarded for the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Achievement Award 2025 for his body of work. Heartiest congratulations, sir. Our next recipient is from the field of business. In in 1980s, when he landed a job as a site supervisor at a construction project in Thane, developed an interest in construction estate from a early age. It was due to his sheer hard work and good fortune that he has set his own construction company in 92. His work includes construction of commercial complexes, residential buildings, and other infrastructure projects that have helped shape the skyline of the city. Great reputation he has earned. He has built luxurious hotels, 2 film studios, and 2 commercial complexes, amongst other projects. People's Art Center, it's Harvinder Pal Timi Mehta's journey from a young builder to a renowned philanthropist that has interested us in bestowing him the honor of the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Achievement Award 2025 as a testament to his passion, dedication and commitment to making a positive impact on the society. Heartiest congratulations, sir. Heartiest congratulations. Congratulations. Her performance also known for a non-profit organization named Sangeetacharya Pandit D.V. Kanebua Pratishthan in the year 2007. Her contribution to Hindustani classical music have been recognized with. It's an honor indeed to award Mrs. Manjusha Patil the Chhatrapati Shivaji Achievement Award 2025 for her immense contribution in the field of music, arts, and it's thanks to her dedicated artists like her that our tradition, Indian classical music, is alive and thriving. Heartiest congratulations, madam. Heartiest congratulations. We have our next recipient, the founder of Vidyarthi Vikas Yojana. Successful career at the TGers, and he was the CEO for the last 9 years of his career. His contribution to the bank growth is significant. Strategic leadership, financial stability, operational excellence, banking operations, financial management, strategic planning, accountancy, audit, and community engagement. He is known for his significant contribution to education, also social work. As a former CEO of the bank, he has initiated the Vidyarthi Vikas Yojana in 2008. He has made education of the underprivileged a mission in his retired life, and it is these qualities of Sri Ravindra Karve that has made us at People Art Center take notice of his considerable worthy being the recipient of the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Achievement Award 2025. It is because of his efforts of people like him where we will see the distinct change in the quality of the people in our rural areas. Heartiest congratulations, sir. Filmmaker, please welcome him on stage. Zordar taaliyan honi chahiye. A film personality, a distinguished Indian actor, producer, director. He was, of course, born to a filmmaker's family. Filmmaker actor Mahesh Kothare, and he gained widespread recognition for his performance in Zapat Leela 2 in 2013, where he played the lead role in India's first 3D Marathi film. In 2014 film Avtarachi Goshta that earned him critical acclaim also, and his role in the year 2014 in Ishq Wala Love highlighted a different side of his acting expertise. And at People's Art Center, we appreciate the achievement of Adinath Kothare, who has demonstrated a remarkable ability to balance acting, directing and producing and contributing to the Indian cinema. He has received awards for his work, especially for the directorial debut film Pani, for which he won the National Film Award for Best Film on Environment, Conservation and Preservation. Heartiest congratulations. Congratulations, a big round of applause. Thank you once again. Our next recipient for People's Arts Centre's this year's Chhatrapati. The field of journalism often blends humor, irony and poignant storytelling to critique societal norms and explore complex themes. His writing style is known for his colorful and colloquial language. Shrikant sir has a notable career as a journalist with several highlights. He began his journalism in 1990s and then had worked in various publishers including Sakal and Lok Satta. And he explores various genres in writing, whether it be social satire, fable or short stories, or literary fiction. He has published numerous books, as we mentioned, and has been a recipient of various awards. Donful Ekhaf. Heartiest congratulations. Award, a distinguished medical doctor based in Mumbai. His work is through key contributions: pain management, palliative care, leadership roles, educational contributions, and research publications. He believes in giving back to the society that has helped him. His social contribution in this regards, indeed, People's Arts Foundation is indeed honored. What a journey Dr. Raghu Thota has. From a modest background, overcame utmost adversity to becoming a leader in palliative medicine. A heartiest congratulations as we confer the Chhatrapati motivator also in mountaineer from all the way from Pune, Mr. Vivek Shivade. Mountaineer with a passion for high altitude climbing and adventure. He graduated with a degree in metallurgical engineering and EMP materials and science from IIT Bombay. Well, he was presented with, and his mountaineering achievements are so great. His philanthropic work also is very accountable, and well, we have it here. Okay. A prominent figure in business circle, but he is more better known for his extensive philanthropic work, leadership qualities in various organizations. Managing trustee of Warrior Foundation, he has held multiple leadership roles including chairman emeritus of Flyjack Logistics, Hitachi Transport Group. People's Arts Center is indeed none other than Dr. Amod Sharma. Please welcome him with a big round of applause, a distinguished figure in the aviation industry. As a director of Air India, Dr. Sharma played a pivotal role in steering the airlines through various challenges, transformation. His leadership was marked by a focus on improving operational efficiencies. He has been responsible for all matters He has received the Best Aviation Excellence Award, recipient of award in Hindi language instituted by by the Government of India for implementation and promotion of official language. And People Arts Center are really humbled by the scale of involvement by Dr. Amod Sharma at the time when Air India was still a public enterprise. Heartiest congratulations, sir, on achieving the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Award 2025. East is the greatest artist, Kathakali artist from Kerala, Guru Kalashri Kalamandalam C. Gopalakrishnan Nair, renowned name in Kathakali and Mohini as a tutor accompanist, and has been Mohiniyattam for 25 years at Kala Kshetram, Dombivali as an honorary guru. Heartiest congratulations. He is celebrated for his choreographic skills. Performance are beautiful and out of the world. And to name his achievements, बहुत लंबा लिस्ट है, इसलिए जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. People's Arts Center is so proud. कितना और सुंदर. लेकिन उससे पहले I'd like to request our Honorable Justice Abhay Thipseji to please come, or should I give you the mic there, sir? You'll come here. A big round of applause for our Honorable Justice Abhay Thipseji.
I don't know really what to say. Because when I got the invitation, till that time I did not know about this People's Arts Center. But then they invited me, and when I came to know about them and read the list of the dignitaries, then I was overwhelmed. I thought it's a great honor conferred on me. All of you who have got these awards, really, they are doing excellent in their own field. Most of them were known to me by their names, though I must frankly admit that the details were not known. And of course, I will be reading now that souvenir, I will know more about you. But it was a great honor, in fact, to give me this opportunity, and I wondered that how in all these years I did not come across this People's Art Center. Now I don't want to speak much because there was a mention of my chess abilities, which is very rarely done and which I could not do myself, because my own younger brother is a grandmaster, 9 times national champion, Arjun Award winner. So I never got any opportunity to boast of my achievements in chess. It would have been very ridiculous. So when somebody says about the chess achievements, I am very happy. In fact, when I was in the High Court, my Chief Justice, then Chief Justice, once told me, when he met my brother, there was one Abhay Thipse also. I said, Chief, I am that Abhay Thipse. But oh, he was so shocked. Means, he even did not know that a judge would be skilled in playing some chess. But here I find, here there are many personalities who have got diverse activities. I mean, apart from the excellence in their own field, they are also doing something very good. They have contributed to the nation, to the society. And once again, I express my gratitude to Mr. Gopkumar Pillai and his team.
Thank you, sir.
Gurum Vyasam Panini Gaganarada Ganadadya Munindra Jabi Mridanga Shaila Nilayam Shri Porkali Ishtadam Bhaktya Nityam Pasmahe Sapadina Kurvantvami നിലച്ചവനിദേവൻ തഥാ ഹരിവിലോകേ മുദാസ നടന്നു നഗരികൾ കടന്നു സരണിയതിൽ നിന്നു മധുമദന പദകമല മധുരതര ഹൃദയത്തിൽ അഴകിനോട് ചേർന്നു സുരവരം തസ്യ ചരിത്രമാത്രോ നേത്രാംഭസ ഭരിതം ചൊല്ലി കാലത്തിന്റെ വയസ്സനായ ഭരണീ ദേവേന്ദ്ര സന്നിധോ Ooh. Adho Thank you. Yeah. Mama അരുള സദാ കേരള विष्णु अजमुख देवा नगा गुरुपुरे निलुगु भवानी पिन्ने सके Chip